This video is to show you how to embed videos in Canvas using Screencast-O-Matic. You can see that I have logged into Canvas and I've opened up a page where I have an editor. This will work in assignments, discussions, quizzes, anywhere that you see this rich text editor. The first thing I'm going to do to embed a video is to click on the little blue down arrow and select Screencast-O-Matic. This will open up the Screencast-O-Matic dialog box, and you should see here your LR email address. I'm assuming that you have already created a Screencast-O-Matic account with LR. If you have not, please go watch that video first. As you can see here, my Screencast-O-Matic dialog box shows all of my recent recordings. If I wanted to, I could simply click one of these and that would embed it in the window. I'm going to show you instead how to create a new recording because that's a process that many of you will want to use. And in the end, the embedding process is very similar. So I'm going to click on New Recording. And I need to close out that window. You can see it is launching my recorder. And it tells me to stay on this page while I'm recording. So at this point, I'm going to drag my window to cover as much of the screen as I want. And I'm going to open up a new Firefox window so that I'm not, I can't record here because I would have to close this window. So I open a new tab, or if I wanted to, it could be a Microsoft Word document, it could be a PDF file. Screencast-O-Matic will record whatever is showing on your screen. I have a couple of options. I can choose to record the audio coming from my computer. I'm not going to do that here. I want only the audio coming from my microphone. If I click on narration, it will allow me to select which microphone I want to use. If I choose the size, I can adjust the recording window. I'm going to leave it as it is for right now, and I'm going to click record. After counting down, we're now recording the screen, and I have no earthly idea why my front screen in Firefox has these, but if I wanted my students to know what it is like to be a man, I can't even imagine what that article's got in it. I could click there and show them. I could click why Arizona is suffering so much, and we can kind of walk students through the article. Whatever, again, is on your screen is what is being recorded. And when we are finished, click back on the Screencast-O-Matic icon and click pause. I could trash this and start over, or I can click done. When I click done, it tells it that I am finished recording, and now it wants to know, what do you want to do next? I can either save and upload the video. I can quick share it, which basically pushes the video to Screencast-O-Matic and allows me to have a link on my clipboard and just email that to someone. Or I can edit the recording. We're going to cover editing in another video. So for right now, I will click save and upload. And you can see up here, because I opened this in Canvas and said I want my recording there, it is ready to upload and embed in the LMS, but I need to give it a title first. And let's call this English 130 video. When I click upload, it's going to take it just a moment to process and to upload to Screencast-O-Matic. If I were on Screencast-O-Matic recording this, I would pause the video while it does that. I'm doing Zoom because you can't really record how Screencast-O-Matic works with Screencast-O-Matic. I'm going to click continue here, and I can come back to this. And in theory, this should embed my video into my Firefox window. I click refresh, you can see my video right here. And now I can set some options down here at the bottom for the size of the video, whether I want to see the title or not, whether I want students to see a control bar, whether I want captions to be automatically playing anytime anyone watches the video, and whether, for some unknown reason, I might want this video to start playing when students open the page. I despise auto-playing videos, so you will never see me do that. If you want to, go ahead, just don't invite me to your Canvas page. And then I click Embed, and it's going to put it here in the page. And when I save, you can see there it is. It is that easy. Please get in touch with me if you have any questions at all about this process.